Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn ads targeting with Insight Tag, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore your LinkedIn ads targeting with the Insight Tag, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your LinkedIn Campaign Manager. Select the specific account where you're running your ads. Locate the Insight Tag in the Campaign Manager dashboard. If you haven't installed the Insight Tag yet, click on Setup. Follow the prompts to generate the JavaScript code for the tag. Copy the generated JavaScript code to your clipboard. Access your website's backend or content management system. Paste the JavaScript code into the header section of your website's HTML. Save your changes to ensure the Insight Tag is implemented. Next, return to the Campaign Manager. Click on Audience from the left-hand menu. Select Website Audiences to create new audiences based on your site visitors. Once there, click on Create Audience. Choose the criteria for your target audience. You can segment by pages visited, time spent, or specific actions taken. Once you've configured your audience, click on Create. Wait for LinkedIn to process your audience, which may take some time. Now, return to the Campaigns section. Create a new ad campaign or edit an existing one. In the Targeting section, select the audience you just created. Adjust your ad settings according to your campaign goals. Review your changes carefully before saving. After everything looks good, launch your campaign. Monitor the performance of your ads regularly. Make adjustments as necessary based on the insights you gather. By following these steps, you can effectively restore your LinkedIn ads targeting using the Insight Tag. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.